Hello everybody. Okay, I've got it's a 2006 F150, just two-wheel drive. But anyway, he brung it in, and the shifter's just moving back and forth. And what happens on these things, on these shifters, this one's doing, it just, the solenoid, the lock solenoid's working, but you can see there it's not shifting any. The shifter cables came loose. All it is, there's a shifter cable that runs up here, down there to the transmission to shift your gears. No big deal. Alright, let me show you right here what happens. Let me get over here and get a picture. Whoops. Let me see if I can zoom in. Let me get that cable. Right here's the cable. Well, let me see. Where's the cable? I'll tell you what. Let me get on the other side of the truck and I'll show you. Hold on. Okay. Now we're back. First of all, let me show you this to start with, to even get access down to this part of the shifter assembly. All you have to do is remove this plastic cover right here. It just unsnaps. There's your little snaps right there. Typical little plastic snaps they use on all these cars. Everything's kind of a little snap together deal. But anyway, okay, let me see if I can get a picture. Right here. Can you see that or no? Yeah, there it is. The cable. The shifter cable, these are real bad. They do it down there on the transmission part of it too, but the cable comes loose because of that little bushing inside that shifter cable. Wished I could get a better picture here to show you. Well, there it is. But anyway, you can see that the cables come loose off the shifter itself. Let me zoom in on this so you can see it better. There it is. There it is. There's the shifter. You can see the arm. It's all working. All it is the, like I say, the cable come loose off of this. Okay, there's two options. Replace the whole cable assembly from up here at the shifter, or I think they have bushing kits that you can buy. Put new bushings in here and clip it on. But I'm going to show you something. This is going to be a two-part video. I'm going to show you a trick I learned a long time ago. I'm going to do it in part 2 of this video of a way to fix this without replacing the whole cable. I mean, you can do either one. But I've been doing this for quite a while, working on cars. But in part 2, I'm gonna show you what I do to fix this thing where it'll never come back off. But anyway, I'll show you in part 2. It's no big major deal. All right, later on.